Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Facebook network unavailable. Please check your connection. So guys, when you want to play any videos or want to do any activity on your Facebook and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys you need to connect Wi-Fi with your device. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it, and guys if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network, and guys click on forget. And guys after doing this you need to reconnect it again with your phone, and guys if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys the second is you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys after this here you need to find Facebook. So guys simply you need to click on Facebook and do your app offload. So guys simply you need to click on offload app, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to check for updates for Facebook. So guys simply open your app store in your iPhone, and guys here you need to search Facebook. So guys after searching it you need to open your Facebook app here, and guys you need to update your app, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, click on general, and guys click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, click on reset network settings. And after doing this you need to go back, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys if connected, then you need to disconnect it. And guys after doing this you need to go back, click on date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Facebook smoothly. So guys now I am going to open my Facebook for checking that my problem is fixed or not. So guys as you can see here, my problem has been fixed. So guys by doing this method you will be able to fix your problems easily. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.